Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to know which version of Windows 10 you have installed on your PC. For this, there are two methods. First one is through Run dialog box. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard and in the Run box, type WinVer. I will put this one command in this video description also. After typing this one command, click on this one OK button. This will display version of Windows 10 you have installed on your PC. Next one is through Settings app. For this, click on this one Start button. Then click on Settings. Under Windows Settings, click on System. Then scroll down to the bottom in the left sidebar and click on this one About option. On the right, under Windows Specifications, you will find the version of Windows 10 you have installed on your PC.